Hello, dear aspirants. Have you ever wondered who was behind some of India's most iconic ads? The ones that made you smile, laugh, and even get a little emotional. Remember the legendary Coca Cola tagline, Thanda Matlab Coca Cola? That's the creative genius of Piyush Pandey, the man who transformed Indian advertising into a reflection of Indian life and culture. But sadly, we lost this visionary yesterday, a true legend whose creativity will continue to inspire generations. From the unforgettable Fevicol campaigns to the iconic Mile Sur Mera Tumhara, Piyush Pandey has revolutionized Indian advertising. Now, we have a UPSC question based on his expertise. So, what is the central theme of Piyush Pandey's advertising campaigns? Piyush Pandey ಅವರ ಜಾಹೀರಾತು ಅಭಿಯಾನಗಳ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ವಿಷಯ ಯಾವುದು? So, options ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ. Okay, for this the right answer is option B. Through his advertisements, he has celebrated Indian culture and emotions. ಇವರದ್ದು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಜಾಹೀರಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಭಾವನೆಗಳ ಒಂದು ಪರಂಪರೆಯನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಜಾಹೀರಾತುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. And he is very famous for that. So option B here is the right answer. A Padma Shri awardee in the year 2016, Piyush didn't just sell products, he connected with the Indian hearts using humor, culture and emotion. He made us laugh, cry and feel proud. His campaigns have changed the way brands communicate with us. He joined Ogilvy and Mather, which is now Ogilvy India, in 1982 as a trainee account executive. Over the years, he rose to become the creative head and one of the most influential minds in Indian advertising. Known for blending Indian culture, humor, and heartfelt emotion, his simple yet powerful storytelling has transformed the world of ads forever. From Fevicol's Fevicol Ka Jod Hai, Tootega Nahi, to Cadbury's Kuch Haas Hai Zindagi Mein, he has given India some of the most unforgettable ads. He even redefined tourism with Incredible India and has revived the patriotic tune Mile Sur Mera Tumhara. But my personal favorite is the heartwarming Asian Paints campaign, Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai. These are some of the few recognitions and contributions he has received for his incredible achievements in the world of advertising. He is truly a legend who has changed the way India tells its stories. Piyush Pandey, the legend who turned everyday ads into memorable moments. Now, just tell me, what's your